A good one. See if he takes it. Ah, man. Beautiful one. None of them take it. Next one. Here we go. He's going to take this one. Ah, man. Here we go. Come on. Yeah. This is pretty gross right here. Brown scum. See, there was a sewage break up in Glendale that closed the Long Beach for several days. I don't. Maybe it's still closed because it comes down the LA River. Wonder if some of that washed over here. I was thinking about going in, but I got stung by a stingray yesterday. Still limping a little bit. Pretty severe. I've been stung 4 times, and that was yesterday was the most severe, right on top of my foot. Pain lasted for about 3-4 hours, soaked in hot water, and it finally subsided, but it's still tender. So I'm just maybe I'll wait out a day. I don't know.